Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, where creativity meets professionalism. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design a stunning roll-up banner that's perfect for promoting businesses, events, and campaigns. Whether you are a designer seeking fresh ideas or someone who wants to understand the design process, you are in the right place. I will guide you to step by step through creating a banner that's eye-catching, informative, and impactful. By the end of this video, you will have all the tips you need to design a roll-up banner that stands out. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. After create a page for a roll-up banner design, go to the element and let's search for a frame. Let's take this rectangle frame and adjust it to the bottom of the page. Now again go to the element and let's take this rectangle shape too and adjust it on 4 copies. Make it 4 copies and adjust it on the half page, and now change the color in red shades from light to deep like this. Now go to the element and search for a corner shape. Let's take this shape, flip it and adjust it on the left bottom corner over the frame. Then from the element, now let's search for a picture for the frame. Change the color of the border shape in white. Now adjust the shape on the left corner. Now let's search for a agency logo. Take this and change the color in white and yellow. Take a text box, type the company name. Adjust logo and the company name together. Take a text box, paste the dummy text. Keep it here for now. Now take a text box, type the text. Keep the outline of the text from the effect, black outline. Now let's search a different type of icons for the services. Take a text box, type the services. Under services, paste the dummy text, make it a left alignment, adjust it with the title and the text together. Again, give a keyword marketing and take this icon. Adjust it like previously. Take another text box, type another service. Adjust the shapes one under another. Let's see how it is look. Change the service. Adjust the text. Take a text box and type the subtitle or slogan. Let's change the position of logo and the name. Adjust the dummy text under the services and change the logo color in in red. Paste the dummy text here to change the color in black. From the element, let's take a QR code and adjust it under the agency. From the element, search phone icon, web icon and the email icon. Take this icon, make it smaller and adjust it one under one. Change the color in red. Take a text box and type the phone number, email number and the web address. Change the font style. Let's take this rectangle shape and adjust it behind the addresses or contact details. Let's go to the element and search for red and white gradient. Remove the shape and adjust the gradient under the contact details. Give it a border in red. Adjust the logo and the text. Adjust the color So here it is, an agency roll-up banner for a marketing company. If you need this kind of roll-up banner design or any other custom design like flyer design, brochure design, travel brochure design, presentation pitch decks or magazine design, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.